Ethereum's future. Can it flip Bitcoin? Not financial advice. Ethereum is gaining momentum. Can it overtake Bitcoin in market cap and become the #1 cryptocurrency? In this deep dive, we'll analyze Ethereum's fundamentals, market trends, and expert predictions. We'll break down Ethereum's price, transaction speeds, security, and the latest developments in the DeFi and NFT space. Stay tuned to find out if Ethereum has what it takes to surpass Bitcoin. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for real-time crypto updates. Ethereum market. Overview. Let's start by taking a look at Ethereum's current price and how it compares to Bitcoin. Right now, Ethereum's price is sitting at $2,700. But how close is it to flipping Bitcoin in market cap? Ethereum's market cap has been rising steadily, but is it enough to challenge Bitcoin's dominance? We'll also discuss Ethereum's dominance in the market. Is it rising, stagnating, or could it potentially overtake Bitcoin in the future? Key developments. Ethereum 2.0 is finally here, with staking and Layer 2 scaling solutions. Let's break down what these updates mean for Ethereum's future. Ethereum versus Bitcoin analysis. Now let's get into the comparison. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. First, transaction speeds and fees. Ethereum is notorious for its high gas fees and network congestion, but is it getting better with the Ethereum 2.0 upgrades? Next, let's look at security and decentralization. Bitcoin still uses proof of work, which is seen as more secure but energy intensive. Ethereum, on the other hand, has switched to proof of stake. How does this impact security and scalability? Institutional interest. More and more institutional investors are starting to take Ethereum seriously. Are they favoring ETH over BTC? Network activity. Ethereum is leading the charge in DeFi. We'll take a look at daily transactions, active addresses, and TVL, total value locked, in the DeFi ecosystem. Ethereum's fundamental strengths. Ethereum is the pioneer of smart contracts, powering the entire DeFi ecosystem. But it doesn't stop there. Ethereum is also the leader in NFTs and metaverse adoption. How does this affect Ethereum's dominance in Web3? Layer 2. Scaling. With solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism, Ethereum is addressing its scalability issues. But the big question is, will it permanently reduce those gas fees? Lastly, Ethereum's burn mechanism, EIP 1559, is having a significant impact on Ethereum's scarcity. Let's dive into how this affects the price and supply of ETH, on-chain metrics, and institutional adoption. Now, let's take a look at some on-chain metrics. Are the whales moving Ethereum? Large investors often give us clues about the future price action. Exchange reserves. Another sign of bullish sentiment is Ethereum leaving exchanges. When ETH leaves exchanges, it's often seen as a sign that investors are holding long-term. Staking trends. More Ethereum is being locked in staking contracts, which could reduce circulating supply and drive up the price. Let's see how much ETH is locked up right now. Corporate and nation-state adoption. More businesses and even countries are integrating Ethereum into their systems. Who's jumping on the Ethereum bandwagon? ETH price predictions and possible scenarios. What can we expect from Ethereum's price in the future? In a bullish scenario, Ethereum could hit anywhere between $5,000 and $7,000. But if the market faces a correction, we could see ETH revisit $2,500. Neutral case. ETH might consolidate between $3,000 and $4,000 before making its next big move. We'll also take a look at what some of the top analysts are predicting for ETH. Are they bullish, bearish, or neutral on Ethereum's future? Investment strategies and final thoughts. Let's talk about investment strategies. In the short term, you might want to set a stop loss around $2,600 and take profits around $3,500 if you're looking for quick gains. For long-term investors, dollar cost averaging, DCA, could be a great strategy to accumulate ETH over time, especially considering its potential for future growth. Remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum are often correlated. A major move from Bitcoin can impact Ethereum as well. So, will Ethereum flip Bitcoin? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'll be discussing them in the next video. To recap, Ethereum is making huge strides, and its future looks brighter than ever. However, Bitcoin's dominance remains strong. What do you think? Will Ethereum eventually overtake Bitcoin in market cap? Comment below with your predictions and let's keep the discussion going. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. Next up, we'll be talking about Altcoin Season 2025. Top 5 coins to watch. Stay tuned for that.